How do you update your photos on Google? It's actually very simple. Let me show you how. So whenever somebody Googles your brand name, on the right hand side, this is the knowledge panel. And people can click on see photos, or whenever they're on their mobile device or in the map section of Google, same thing is they will see your cover photo and your photos. And very often people really do click on this and look at the photos. So how do you update the photos? And ideally, the more the better, right? Kind of think it as they might sell you from an offline marketing piece you have done, or maybe their friend referred you. So they will typically just Google you, and whenever they Google you, they will see the knowledge panel. So the more information, the more photos you upload on your Google listing, more likely they're going to call you. So I would really advise you to be uploading minimum. This is purely minimum. Whether you're funeral home improvement company, you need minimum of 10 just to satisfy Google's search engine results. But the more, the better. So let's see how do you update the photos. So it's very easy. You go on google.com/business, click on sign in, and on the left hand side you see photos. Now you get to see the photos uploaded by you, and you get to control the cover photo, right? The cover photo is this, and you get to upload your logo, and it's very easy. You just click on plus and you drag and drop your photos. Okay, so it's very easy. And what if there's a photo you uploaded and you don't like it? You click on this, you click on delete, right? So this is very simple to do. I would really advise you to audit, right? Just Google yourself and see whether the cover photo is a good representative of your business, and click on photos and see what photos show up here. And the more you upload, the better it is. The more likely people are going to call you.